Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Geeks, and this is the Tropire Laptop Screen Extender. Not just one, but two screens to give you an extension, to give you the maximized opportunity to multitask on a very tight space. And lastly is it's portable, so you can bring it everywhere. So I'm going to give you my impressions of this device or laptop screen extender and give you more of what's good and also of course some repercussions about this kind of setup. So let's go. Okay, so if you're going to ask me what's the Tropire Laptop Screen Extender first, of course, so to give you context, this is a portable screen that you can bring anywhere. So not just one, but two displays. It folds and then you unfold it in order to display the two displays here and then just put it within the frame of your laptop. So the magic of this one is you now have the capability in order to connect two monitors into your laptop so you can have that power of flexibility in order to multitask like never before. Now, the good part here is that these are two 12-inch full HD displays with HDR capability. Now, I set it in auto, so it's more of doing it on its own. The colors are good in terms of punchiness, and brightness is still good in terms of being to keep up here with the main display of my laptop. Now, the good part here is that these are two matte finish displays that are non-glossy. Of course, it's matte. So the good part here is it has very good angles in terms of visuals, whether you fold it further or fold it outside, or of course when you crank up the brightness on a bright environment in working environments like this one, it still has that proper nits in brightness in order to show you what content do you want to show. Now, when it comes to the actual device, I'm just going to show you more of B-rolls right now, but it's really portable. Of course, this is currently set up right now here on the laptop. So let me just dismantle it for quickly and show you more of what does it look like when dismantled. So this is currently assembled. I'm going to plug it out. 1, 2. Okay, so the good thing about this one is you just have to stretch it out, close, then close the display here and here. Then this is the whole device already. So this is the display extender or the laptop screen extender that I just showed you. It has two displays. So this is display number 1 and then display number 2. The beauty of this one is it's really durable in terms of its build. Of course, it's made of plastic for the concern of weight, but the good part here is the bezels. Although that they are a bit chunky that you might have seen, 12 inches is still big compared to most laptops right now. Now, all you have to do is just stretch out this mechanism in order to fit at the back of the frame of the laptop and then shut it close. So it has a snug fit in terms of the display for both at the front, at the top, using these clamps, and then at the bottom here with smaller clamps, as you can see here. So aside from that, good part here is once you fold it and store it, at the back part is there's a kickstand in order to support the weight of the laptop. So to give you better context, this is a kickstand, as you can see here. This is a kickstand, then you extend it in order to achieve better stabilization at the back of the laptop. So it has all the mechanisms that they are forecasting in terms of stabilization. They even have smaller grooves of silicone like this one in order to have better stabilization for the bottom chin of the laptop, so it doesn't wobble as much as other bigger laptops such as 16-inch laptops. So they really thought of smaller gestures in order to preserve as much as possible the best experience from 13-inch laptops to 16-inch laptops. So fortunately here my laptop is more of a 14-inch laptop, so I'm just going to put it back again. Now, in order to connect to this laptop, there are two USB Type-C ports on my laptop that I connected using the provided USB Type-C to Type-C cables via Thunderbolt capability. So, of course, one here, one here, on the other one. Then all I have to do is just connect it to my laptop. And then the other one to my laptop again. Plus, of course, you might be asking, what if I want to connect my charger? The charger, you cannot connect to another Type-C port within the extended display, and it has the capability to power delivery charge as well, the laptop. As you can see right now, I put it back in less than around a minute, and it's really fast in terms of juggling. Now, the good part here is that, again, both displays are IPS matte display, so you have good colors and also production in terms of clarity, full HD, and it's matte finish. So overall, I really like the colors that they produce here. It kind of competes at par with my OLED display for my laptop right now. Of course, in terms of brightness, they can't really compete, but the beauty of this one is really to multitask from 3 displays. You have one content on the left, one content on the right, and then at the center is your multitasking focus. So on your laptop, you're now able to maximize more content and also portability. So when it comes to the connectivity options, you now have Type-C, but there's also one more. At the package is also included an HDMI to mini HDMI. So because each slot here for each monitor has a mini HDMI slot, plus an additional USB Type-A to Type-C for the power consumption of each monitor. Of course, this will entail a little bit more of wires. Of course, on my laptop, fortunately, I have 2 Thunderbolt ports, and it's capable of doing so, plus charging my laptop. So I don't have any problems in this kind of scenario. But just in case you have a legacy laptop, it's still compatible, but for the best compatibility, you can still consult on the website of Tropire. You can just go to the www.tropire.com. I'll put a link down below for you to check out of all the compatible laptops. Of course, to make sure that you are buying the laptop screen extender with guarantee that it's really compatible with your laptop. But of course, aside from that, it's really the beauty of portability. What I'm trying to say is that imagine that you have this setup as well on your work. You will be able to maximize your work much faster compared to others, even if you're using more like, for example, a provided work laptop from your employer. So in my case, I can bring this to my work and still have 3 times more of productivity, and I really like it. Now, if you're going to ask me how much is this display, this is actually $399, both on the official website and on Amazon. But right now on Amazon, there's a lot of promotions, and I checked out for Philippines just in case. It's also free delivery for Philippines within the scope of NCR. Perhaps in other areas you have to double check, but fortunately I'm going to also include a link down below. So for $399, you now have 2 full HD matte displays that you can mount exactly on your laptop. That's really boosting your productivity. Now, to give you context of around how much is an extended display right now, some extended displays cost around 8,000 pesos, and the good ones will cost around 12 to 15,000 pesos, but that's just one. And remember guys, this is a setup of 2 extended displays, all in a convenient portable package for $399 or around 20,000 or 21,000 pesos, depending on the conversion rate. But of course, this is still a good deal because you really have the portability of 2 displays for carrying within your laptop. That's the good part here. Now, I mentioned earlier is that what are the cons of this kind of setup? Actually, I only have two. Number one is really more on the wire setup. Of course, you will always have to use two Type-C cables, or the one mentioned earlier, the HDMI to mini HDMI, plus the Type-A to Type-C for power delivery of the displays itself. So wiring is a bit clunky. It's really not that kind of portability that you can just have it go and just leave. It's really more of set up this and also mount. And then if you're going to leave, it's just disassemble and then pack up and then when you leave. So it has that requirement of you have to be meticulous in terms of setting up the cables, of course, for organization and to avoid any kind of problems on your extended display just in case in the future. This is still a portable device and you should take care of it. Second is really more of once you folded the display, the back part or the second display is actually exposed, and I wish that Tropire proceeded to provide a case for this one. My best suggestion is when bringing it out, just bring the box. That's the best solution perhaps right now that you can do in order to avoid that problem. But still, the box is quite portable. If you're going to travel and just use it from time to time based on the intention of going to work, you're going to leave it at work most likely, or if you're going to travel, you have to just bring this box. And I don't think it's much of a hassle, because intention at first is that even if you buy extended monitors, that's the same concern that you're going to encounter as well. There's going to be still that kind of risk of a portable monitor that can be broken due to external factors. So you just have to be careful that you're bringing a monitor as well. Aside from that, that's really it. It's for $399. Comparison of the price ratio between other laptop portable displays, I think this is a winner as well. And the portability factor of it in terms of mounting it and assembling it is very unique in my experience. I've seen a lot of solutions right now in terms of extending displays, and this is really one of the most unique right now. So with that, thank you so much guys for checking out the Tropire Laptop Screen Extender, and I'm going to leave down this links down below for you to check out more of this device, and hopefully it also answers your concerns right now in terms of portability or having a portable screen extender for your laptop as well. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'm going to give you the best answer as much as possible based on your questions as well. And do follow us on our social media channels, and lastly, visit our website www.hungrygeeks.com.ph. So thank you for checking out this video. See you on the next one.